Hey friends, it's Kelsey from Kelsey's Messy Bible here on the Creative Retreat channel, playing with the July kit written by our very own Julie. And I'm so excited because it talks about one of my favorite people in the Bible, and that is the story of Joseph. Joseph is the great-great-grandson of Abraham, the grandson of Isaac, and the son of Jacob. And his story is so interesting because he finds himself in lots of really hard situations, things where life is not quite going the way that he wanted or thought or it should be, but God continues to bless him because he continues to focus his energy and his passion on God, and he trusts that God is the one who will work things together for good. So I'm here in the end of Joseph's story in Genesis, and I'm playing with the stamp set. I have kind of been loving this summer playing with acrylic paint and stamps. It's been like my go-to this summer. So I'm continuing that trend by using these super cute puzzle pieces from the kit and some colors that kind of matched. This green ended up being a little darker than I wanted it to, but it's all good in the end. And I'm just stamping them down to make kind of this cascade of puzzle pieces, and it turns out so cute. After I finish with the green, I move on to a light blue with the outlined piece. So it just gives it a little bit more texture and dimension using the outline piece, and I kind of sort of in places overlap it and just make it really look like they all are trying to fit together. You know how when a puzzle comes out of a box and it all is on the table and you want it so badly to end up fitting together? Secret time though, I am not a puzzle fan. Puzzles are something that I find them very much a struggle. So this devotional, not only being about my favorite character Joseph, but just the idea that a puzzle is something that God has to work in us a piece at a time. Just like when we're working on a puzzle, it takes a piece at a time, was pretty spot on for what I needed in my life right now. So that was pretty exciting and cool. I love when the devotionals really meet you where you're at, and this one did for me. So I'm using a few stickers from the kit just to put down a title that will remind me what this is about. And then I'm adding one of the heart stickers, and then I'm going to outline it just because I didn't want the stickers to get lost on the page behind those puzzle pieces. Sometimes that happens, and so I was using a little bit of a darker blue marker to outline all of the stickers and make sure that they were visible. And then kind of the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some notes from the devotional and I'm going to put them in the margin of my Bible. One of the things that is super important to me when Bible journaling is that I have some type of connection to it on a personal level, whether it's my own handwriting or whether it's a prayer or whatever it may be. So that's pretty much it for me. You're going to see me journal my way out on this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I really think you should. This month's kit, I'll leave a link in the description. It's such a good one. If you are not getting the kits, absolutely you should be. They're awesome and amazing, and I think that the content this month is so good, and this devotional that Julie wrote is so awesome. So until next time, friends, bye-bye.